If your smart TV home screen feels like a billboard, start with the right expectation. You can reduce the ads a lot, but most platforms do not let you erase every promotional slot. There are 3 different ad layers. System banners live in the TV launcher. Interest-based ads follow the advertising ID. Free service ads live inside apps like free channels. That is why one setting never fixes everything. Privacy toggles usually make ads less targeted. They do not remove commercials from ad-supported streaming apps. The best first move on almost every brand is to reset the advertising ID. Opt-out toggles reduce future targeting, but an ID reset breaks the old household profile link. On Samsung, do not stop after one switch. Turn off interest-based advertising and privacy choices, then turn off Smart Hub personalization in the Smart Hub menu. That split matters because one switch controls ad targeting and the other controls promoted rows. After big firmware updates, go back and confirm both are still off. On LG webOS, open the General System Settings and turn off Home Promotion and Content Recommendation. Then go into User Agreements, opt out of advertising, and reset the ad ID. LG Channels is different. It is a free ad-supported service, so TV settings cannot remove the commercials inside it. If you do not use it, hide it from the launcher. On Roku, open Privacy and Advertising, enable Limit Ad Tracking, then reset the advertising identifier. The most visible cleanup is often switching away from a promotional screensaver. On Roku TVs, also open Smart TV Experience and turn off Use Info from TV inputs. That is the setting tied to antenna, cable, and HDMI viewing data. Sony Bravia sets that run Google TV use Google's ad controls. Go to Privacy, then Ads, opt out of ad personalization, and reset the advertising ID. Vizio is heavier because viewing data is central to SmartCast advertising. Turn off viewing data first, then disable personalized ads and reset the advertising ID. On Fire TV, the banner usually stays, but you can make it less obnoxious. Turn off video autoplay, turn off audio autoplay, opt out of interest-based ads, and reset the ad ID. Hisense VIDAA hides controls in its own privacy menus. Opt out of viewing information, turn off personalized content, then reset the advertising ID. If menu toggles are not enough, DNS blocking can help. NextDNS, Pi-hole, or AdGuard Home can block many ad network requests before the TV loads the creative. The trade-off is that block lists can break free channel apps. Samsung TV Plus, LG Channels, and Pluto TV may need whitelist rules if you still use them. After a factory reset or major firmware update, recheck everything. Many TVs return ad controls to default when terms or firmware change. The simple playbook is this: turn off personalization, reset the ad ID, and use router-level blocking only if you are comfortable maintaining a whitelist. Scan the QR or open smarttvs.org for the full brand-by-brand guide, including Samsung, LG, Roku, Sony, Vizio, Fire TV, Hisense, and router blocking notes.